Hey guys, this is Corey. Hey guys, this is Corey and welcome to another video. We're going to be doing Pirate Like Heaven. All you need, bandana, whatever, maybe some bubbles. We've got 2 in there. Maybe 1 of these if we've got 2 in the fridge. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to do this. So, put it on. Any other person would do. You have to make it all pretty, sleeve it. And then you put your hair forward like this, and you do that just to get a bit of shape. And then get your bandana and you put it inside. This gives you let's just try and cover that bit up there. That bit. Yeah, that's what I am thinking you need. Like me, I need a bubble. And if you do it really good, it's really good for proms. You look really nice and pretty. But this is my pirate look. It can be as fluffy as you want. And as you see, I look kinda nice. Not a lot, because I haven't been as neat as any other. As you can do it. Put that up a bit and put that bit, this bit, that bit, like that. Pick it up again. There you go. So pirate look, and nice and fancy. Yeah. I'm just going to turn the lights on. I will be back. This is what I actually look like. Yeah. So I'm going to take all this out. Really easy. And you've still got your bubble. And that's hard. Kinda hard to take out. Yeah. This is gonna be about 10 minutes, probably. I don't know. So there we go. My normal hairstyle. And now I'm going to do another pirate look. We'll split your hair to 2. I haven't even brushed my hair, so it's going to be even harder. You're just going to do this for a minute. We're going to take these out, maybe? I don't know. And then I'm going to take this all the way around to the back. And do one. Let's get all your hair in, but I can't get that bit in, so it doesn't matter. You don't need any clips for this. leave a like in the description if you like it. Obviously, but like on it. That looks kind of nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the bandana. Do this. Make sure this bit is at the back. And we're just going to do this. It doesn't matter if it looks so messy. Like that. You can just put that in. Like that and that. So yeah, these are my pirate looks. And I like how that just sticks out there. And it doesn't even look like you've got a bubble. So does this one too. I think, I don't know, so maybe that. This is the back. There's the back. And you don't want to give it a brush, just leave it how it is. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like and below and subscribe. And